The top 5 best stand mixers recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Cuisinart SM50BC Precision Master 5.5 Quartz Stand Mixer. More affordable than our top pick, but with a similar tilt-back motor head design, this Cuisinart stand mixer is a great choice for beginner bakers, brand devotees, or anyone who wishes to save a few dollars on a stand mixer without sacrificing quality or power. It's constructed of metal, has a 500-watt motor, and can be operated at 12 different speeds with the turn of a dial. Customers who chose the Cuisinart over more expensive stand mixers haven't regretted the choice. They say it's durable, built to last, and praise its quiet yet powerful performance. It's available in 6 colors to match a variety of kitchen decor and backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Recommendation number 2. Hamilton 6-Speed Stand Mixer. This has the same planetary mixing action as popular high-end mixers, at a budget price, so your cake batters will be smooth and your whipped cream will be fluffy. There are 6 speeds, plus a special fold setting for gentle mixing. The 3.5-quart mixing bowl is large enough for most baking needs, and the non-slip feet keep the machine stable as it works. The mixer head tilts up for easy access to the bowl and locks down in use, so it won't bounce when mixing thick batters and doughs. This mixer is powered by a 300-watt motor and includes a chrome-plated aluminum dough hook, wire whisk, and plastic beater for versatility. The stainless steel mixing bowl and attachments are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Recommendation number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Mini Tilt Head Stand Mixer. This small mixer from KitchenAid is 25% lighter and has a 20% smaller footprint than the company's classic mixer, but the 250-watt motor and hob attachment mean that it's compatible with attachments like the pasta roller, grater, spiralizer, and more. The beaters and bowls are not interchangeable with other models, however. The tilt head design makes it easy to access the bowl or change beaters, and the head locks in place to make sure the beaters keep in close contact with the bowl for even mixing. It has 10 mixing speeds. This has a 3.5-quart bowl, so it won't hold as much as the full-size models, but it's fine for dozens of cookies at a time. This includes a coated flat beater, coated dough hook. Recommendation number 4. Smeg 50s Retro Style 5 Quartz Stand Mixer. While the classic KitchenAid stand mixer design is iconic, the Smeg Retro Style stand mixer is downright stylish. Available in a palette of retro hues that coordinate with the other mid-century styled appliances Smeg produces. Clearly meant to be a fixture on your countertop, these Italian stand mixers are not only attractive but powerful with a 600-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl capacity. Like the KitchenAid stand mixers, the Smeg stand mixer comes with a hub on the front and a lineup of attachments, including several pasta cutters, grinder, and slicer attachments. An ice cream freezer bowl is also available. This tilt head model's features include 10 speeds, whisk, beater. Recommendation number 5. Hamilton Beach Classic Hand and Stand Mixer, 4-quart. If you aren't sure just how much you're going to use a stand mixer, or you're on the fence about whether to choose a hand mixer or a stand mixer, this Hamilton Beach Combo Mixer is a low-risk choice for the beginner baker. Like other hand mixers on the market, this unit comes equipped with 2 paddle attachments, 2 dough hook attachments, and a balloon whisk attachment. 6 speeds are easy to adjust with a slider on top of the mixer and a pulse button for getting a mix started. The detachable 4-quart bowl can handle small mixing projects but will likely not handle thick cookie and bread dough. This machine is ideal for whipping cream, meringues, and mixing cake batters. After a few projects,